Hello. Today I am going to explain you how to pass the entry in the TDS on contract. Yesterday I have explained what is the situation we have to deduct TDS and what is the percentage, then rules and regulation. See, assume you are getting a bill from Nandi Housekeeping end of the month, April. Okay, invoice number 001. You are getting bill from Nandi Housekeeping for housekeeping charges. Housekeeping charges account debit. Okay. $25,000. CGST and SGST 18%. Service for service, GST is 18%. Housekeeping charges for the month of April. For the month of April 2021. Now, see, first of all, I am entering the invoice in purchase, service purchase. Then I have to recognize whether this is coming under TDS or not. This is 25,000, but monthly 25,000. Yearly total charges is 3 lakh rupees. So, per annum amount more than 1 lakh. So I have to deduct TDS. How much percent I have to deduct TDS? Either 1 or 2. Nandi Housekeeping is a, you can check Nandi Housekeeping in C 29 is on number ALSP. P is person, means you have to deduct 1% TDS. Okay. Now I am passing the entry, journal entry of TDS. Nandi Housekeeping account debit. How much? For 25,000, 1% is 250 rupees. 250 rupees. TDS payable on contractor, 200 credit. TDS payable on contractor. TDS deducted. TDS deducted. One more purchase entry I will pass. Okay. SV creator. This is the bill you are receiving for advertisement. Advertisement. Not that I am creating one advertisement account. Advertisement charges. When advertisement also coming under contract. Okay. Indirect expenses. GST applicable. Yes. HSN code and all you can mention. Nature of transaction is very important. Purchase taxable. The 18% GST. 18% GST. How much? For example, 31,000 will you are getting. CGST input, SGST input. being advertisement charges. Advertisement charges. Here also we have to deduct TDS journal. I am passing the journal 31,000. For 31,000 here 1% TDS I am deducting. So SV Creator is a sole trading company, is a proprietorship company. SV Creator account debit 310, credit TDS payable on contractor. Okay. Being TDS deducted. Being TDS deducted. Now you can go and see account book, ledger, TDS payable on contractor. See, already earlier one we have passed entry, another two, total 810 rupees we have to pay TDS on contractor. We are deducting from our supplier before 7th of next month. We have to deposit this amount to income tax department, TDS department. Okay. This is the TDS on contractor. TDS on contractor 194C. Okay, 194C TDS on contractor. Then I will move for 194J TDS on professional charges. Okay, TDS on professional charges 194J. Every person except an individual or HUF making payment to resident for notified service is covered under section 194J. What is professional? Here professional we can see notified service, fees for professional service, fees for technical service, means royalty, remuneration, fees, commission paid to director of the company excluding salary, fees paid for not carrying out any activity relation to business or profession, fees paid for not sharing any technical copyright, trademark, patent and any other business or commercial rights of the nature. See, professional fees means legal fees, medical service, engineering or architecture, professional accountancy service, technical consultancy or interior decoration service. These are all coming under the professional service. Here, second, fee for technical service. Technical service means any consideration for the rendering of any managerial consultancy or technical services. It includes the provision of services of technical or other personnel. The term fees for technical service doesn't include consideration for any construction, mining, assembling or like project undertaken by recipient or consideration chargeable under the head of salary. Okay, salary and whatever construction, mining, assembling, these are all technical services not coming under 194J. Here, what is the percentage of TDS? You can see here, I am making here, you can see cases wherein the pay is engaged in the business of the operation of call center. TDS rate is 2%. In case you are paying any call center, you have to deduct 2% TDS. In case of fee for technical services, also TDS is 2%. Professional royalty, where such as royalty is the nature of consideration of sale, distribution or exhibition of cinematography film, etc., is 10%. In cases of fee of any professional services, 10%. In case of pay fails furnish pawn is 20%. If anybody, your service supplier doesn't have pawn, you have to deduct 20% of TDS. Here we can see for professional charges 10% of TDS, for technical services 2%, for call center 2% TDS we have to deduct. Here limitation, what is the limitation? For professional service, limitation is 30,000 per annum. If anybody bills invoice, if it is crossed 30,000 and more, then we have to deduct TDS. Just we will pass some entries. Okay. Purchase bill, some audit charges, party name, you assume this is your chartered accountant or your auditor. Sundry creditors, you can mention his PAN number, GST number, this is his GST number. Audit fees, I will create one audit fees, indirect expenses. HSN code and all you can mention in their bill. They are mentioning their HSN code. The same HSN code you can mention here. 18% service. Assume you are getting 50,000 invoice from your auditor. CGST, SGST input. Being audit fees charged. This is the entry of purchase. Now I am passing one journal entry. Okay. Debit MS Shashidhara and Company for 50,000 How much we are going to deduct? 194J for professional service, 10%. 5,000 TDS I have to deduct. 5,000 TDS. Credit TDS payable on professional charges. TDS payable on professional. $194J. Indirect, not indirect, duties and taxes. $5,000 being TDS deducted. One more bill I will pass the entry, purchase bill. RME computer. Sundry creditors. Repair and maintains computer. Repair and maintains computer. Indirect expenses. $35,000 CGST SGST input. Then journal entry for computer. RMU computer. 35,000 is 2% area. Technical service 2%. 35,000 is 700 rupees. TDS payable on professional or technical 194J. See, you have to pass the journal entries like this. Okay. In next class, I will explain other section also. Thank you.